Here's the truth. If you return to school the same way you left, nothing changes. People won't notice. But if you return with power, confidence, and presence, you'll demand respect and attraction the moment you walk in. Studies show people judge you within the first 7 seconds. That means before you even speak, your presence is already sending signals. Posture, silence, the way you walk in, all of it creates a story in their mind. And here's the dark psychology twist. People respect what they can't easily control or predict. If you carry yourself with quiet confidence, they'll pause and think, something's different about this person. Respect is never earned by begging or chasing. It's commanded. And one of the fastest ways to command respect is to stop trying to please everyone. Speak less. Listen more. And when you do speak, make it count. Drop opinions with confidence. Share ideas with certainty. Even if people disagree, they'll remember you as someone who stands firm. Remember this: small wins, like answering with confidence in class or staying calm when others panic, build your reputation faster than trying to be liked by everyone. Attraction isn't about being loudest or the most popular. It's about energy. Confidence is more powerful than looks. Mystery is more magnetic than oversharing. And discipline always shows. People notice when you've upgraded yourself, whether it's your fitness, your style, or simply the way you carry yourself. When you become someone who doesn't need validation, others can't help but want your attention. So how do you actually do this? First, upgrade your style. You don't need expensive clothes, just clean, sharp, and intentional. Second, build one daily habit before school starts. It could be reading, working out, or journaling, anything that makes you stronger. Third, decide your new role before you walk back in. Are you the leader, the silent, confident type? The one who always delivers? Choose your character and play it with consistency. Respect isn't asked for, it's commanded. And attraction doesn't come from chasing. It comes from building yourself into someone others can't ignore. When you walk back into school this time, don't just show up. Walk in like you own it.